getting in third person. I am Thor! No, no.
I like my skin.
This is way better. I like this skin. Hey
I
guys!
like this guy.
This is like my famous skin. No, I need to.
Okay,
I'm
so
gonna find
Nolan,
it.
what are we doing?
I don't know.
I already found wheat. So
Wait,
no,
that's
not
sugar
wheat.
cane. You're so dumb. We haven't played this in a while.
No, I called it weak and then I said no. Weak. Yeah, I can't talk anymore.
Ellie has broken her face again.
I never Okay, so I got 8 sugar cakes.
I'm chopping down the trees.
Oh my gosh, there's
Hey, Ellie, we're gonna. My fish! Mine!
I got it!
No, give
And
it
a
to
bone!
Give it,
I got bone.
give it to me!
I did, I'm giving it to
Give
you.
it!
It won't let me. There. Take it. Take
Give
it.
me the bone!
No, I eat bones.
Fine. I can lead this chicken.
I like
No, see how my view.
I'm gonna get us some wood.
Come on, Mr. Chicken.
Well, this is
No, Ellie, we are having separate houses.
what?
Yes,
But you took my fish.
I know. Let's go, chicken. I'm gonna make you a beautiful pen.
Whatever. Okay. I think I can survive.
I'm making
I'm
this
gonna
chicken
try to
a
get fish
beautiful
first.
pen.
Like that's my cat tip. To get fish,
Chicken.
I do want.
Well, guess who already has fish? Me. Oh, I got 2 chickens. I can breed them to get more chickens.
Why do you just care about chickens? Because you want eggs? Because
Yes.
you just try to make cake all the time.
Yeah, I like a lot of cake. The bigger the cake, the bigger the man.
That's not real.
I feel like that's mean and insulting. I apologize.
Oh, Nolan, I get it now. Stop. You're being mean.
I know. I'm sorry.
Cake is yummy.
Everyone who doesn't like cake will be sued.
I don't know what that means.
It means you will die. I forget how to make no chicken.
Are you recording this now?
I am very recording this.
Hurry, we have to get in the base. I am low.
You are low?
No.
No.
I'm
Oh, by the way, we didn't say what this is. This is our new series.
Yeah, it's called milk.
No, it's not called milk.
Yes, it is. You named it milk.
I named the world milk because I'm running out of options to name things. So just milk. I don't know. Now we need to get some milk from the chickens. Yeah, I mean cows. We need to get the milk from the chickens, Ellie.
Hurry, come in. I'm stressing because I can find literally no food.
Hey, Ashley, could you just shut up?
I'm
I'm joking, but
Come play with us.
Oh, that's not food. That's a lily
Ellie,
pad.
I have 6 fences to try to build.
Zombie. I need its rotten flesh.
Oh no, Ellie, you need to stop. No,
Okay.
chicken, get back here. Ellie, I've spent my whole life
Okay, I'll go on a diet.
trying to get these chickens in the pen. And now I need more wood. This is incredibly dumb. Ellie, is that a trident?
Yeah.
He's holding a trident. Which means if you kill him, you'll get the trident. Or you might die.
I'll wait till I actually.
So yeah, guys, we're doing a new series, and
I'm nervous because.
I'm
I
nervous
really
because
will-
Ellie always quits the series.
No, that's not true.
It is extremely true.
It's true. I quit this series like on YouTube that you do. Well, this is a series on YouTube, but not in
Exactly.
Minecraft in real life.
Exactly. You quit them all though.
But
Ellie.
I like Minecraft.
When was the last time you did twins with me?
Twins, what's that?
Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna punch you in. your-
Yeah, I haven't done it in forever. I forgot what.
I know.
I'm stressing
I'm
because
gonna punch you in your chicken face.
if I can find a village, I feel like that would be cheating, so I wouldn't live at it.
Ellie, you know we have a map to look for it.
I forgot. I'm stupid.
Yeah.
I'm just laughing because Ellie forgets things a lot.
No, I don't. Not good.
what are we doing?
Okay, so
I forgot what I'm doing! No, I didn't. We're just gonna split these in half.
Oh, no, and you're far.
I forgot how to split things in half. Okay, there we go. We're gonna split it one more time.
Go up here.
No. This. Guys, we have not, I might be a little bit rusty. Oh! I got an egg! Nice. I love this game.
Pretend there's like a.
Hey.
Pretend it's closed here and closed here. I'm kind of stressing
Hey.
because
Hey, chicken. Why are you staring
I
at me?
found a mansion.
Well, I now have a chicken
I don't
pen.
know if it will have any food.
No, mansions are cheating. They have every item in the game. They are 100% cheating.
Okay, fine.
So
Okay,
we're just gonna
so-
put these chickens in
It's
this.
starting to get dark, which
this
I'm
pen.
really worried.
Well, then I will go in the pen with the chickens. I will be in this pen. Come in the pen, chicken.
I forget how to
Chicken.
do things.
Get in the pen.
How to get
Chicken. Get in this pen. Chicken, you suck. Get in the pen. Chicken. Oh, there. Get in the pen. Yes.
I know, but
Victory. I have got the chickens in the pen.
I'm bad at crafting. I forget how to.
I didn't. I did. I forgot how to craft fences. We're gonna try to make the biggest pen a chicken could ever want, because chickens are chickeny.
I don't know how to even make wood.
You don't know how to make wood? How dumb are you?
I found it.
I'm sorry, but it's true.
Okay. Now I'm stressing.
I'm building the biggest chicken pen you have ever
You're
seen.
wasting your time on a chicken pen.
No, I'm not.
Pen. What?
I'm not. You are wasting your time on a chicken pen.
I'm not making a chicken pen because I don't need no chickens.
I do. They give me eggs. They gave me 2 eggs already.
We'll get. Well,
Ellie, how long has the video been?
Uh,
And is the camera still angled right?
yes. Kind of. It's barely on your screen.
Hey, let me see.
Pretty bad.
Oh my God, Ellie! This whole time I've been making chickens. Go away. I've been making chickens, and you've seen none of it, and they've seen none of it.
I'm at low health.
I've made chickens, and they've seen none of it.
Stressing.
They've
trying
seen
to
none
make
of my chickens.
Just
I need to
Why
name
can't
them.
I place this here?
How do you make signs? We're struggling, guys, a lot.
You're making signs.
I'm trying to make signs for my chickens.
I don't care. It's getting dark, Nolan. You.
I am making chickens.
I don't care.
I'm making chickens be my friends. Don't be mean to my friends.
I
I'm
have a
placing these everywhere.
really
I don't
small
think-
home so far.
I'm gonna give
Like,
one of them seeds.
I
No.
barely fit in it.
Okay,
I
okay.
guess.
I'm gonna give them both seeds. Baby chicken! Yay!
I just don't want any.
Okay, Ellie, so we got a
Mm.
problem. I gotta make a little hut out of dirt. Up on the hill.
Out of dirt.
Because my chicken pen took up all my wood. So,
So I'm just trapped in this thing.
you're
There's my-
bragging a lot, but
I'm
have
not bragging.
a great
I'm
house.
stressing.
I have a great house here.
That's bragging, Nolan.
I know. I'm just
I
saying.
can't hide food.
My house is really, really dirty. Dirty, to be exact. Well,
Okay,
it's,
I'm just gonna
it's
hide.
home. Not really, though. Not a
Guys,
lot.
I'm like super.
Ellie, what is your skin right now?
I like it. She's cute.
I have not seen it yet, and now You're at 2 hearts? Why are you at 2 hearts?
Cause of that stupid zombie dude.
Oh yeah. Well, I've been doing the same thing. I've been making chicken pens, and I got a fish.
It's not what
And
I've been
it's
doing.
amazing because like no one else wanted this fish.
Yeah, totally.
I stole the fish from Ellie. Guys, if you remember my old videos, corners are not needed. Corners, you don't need them. They're a waste.
Yeah, I just wasted a lot of money
On
about
corners?
that. I just wasted 8 blocks.
Well, you always stay lost, but meanwhile, my dirt house over here is it's amazing.
I should have used.
It's zombie proof.
Yeah, I'm totally gonna live in this for
We
the
have
rest
the
of the
same-
series.
We have the same size house, I think. Wait,
It's water.
1, 2, 3, 4. How much is yours?
4 long and 2 wide.
Same here. We have the same size house. Mine
I'm
is
just like, not you.
That's you. What? I can see perfectly. I'm gonna go adventuring out. Don't you die, chickens.
No, they're close.
Don't
They're
chickens do
close.
not die. I swear if you I fell in the stupid pen. Baby chicken if you
I want to go out, but I'm scared. Is
I'm
keep inventory on?
Nope. No it is not. But don't worry, I'm like right next to the spawn, so I'm not if I die my stuff will be right here, so this is fun. I like this new series. How many minutes is the video at?
Oh, here's the.
11. You
11.
gotta release it.
Okay.
Release it. Don't float out.
Goodbye, guys.
Wait. I need to do the outro. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all later.
Bye.
Bye.
You don't wanna